If you're a dog owner, you know that look on a dog's face when you leave the home for the day and how they have that helpless look. Well, that's where the phenomenon of doggy daycare comes in. Yeah, the multi-billion-dollar pet service industry is absolutely booming, but pet owners have to take steps to ensure that the loved ones are being taken care of properly. So we have help today. Mary Beth Albright, the owner of Happy Camper Doggy Day Camp and Sleepover, joins us. That's a great title.
Thank you.
Wow.
It is. Thanks for having us.
And you brought your friend. She is gorgeous.
This is Starlight. She's one of our everyday dogs who comes to day camp every day.
Every day? Are you a good camper, Starlight? Oh, yeah. Okay, what are the things that people should look for? What's at the top of the list if somebody's looking into this?
Three things, really.
Yeah.
Cleanliness of the facility.
Okay.
And that includes everything from disinfecting what they use, how many times they do it. Does that include toys, bowls, the facility itself? Also, you'll notice aroma if the facility.
Oh, yeah.
Good facilities will purchase air filtration, air purification systems that help immensely. Safety, of course, is probably the biggest concern for our pet parents. And that brings us really to the third, which is staff. And the importance really of supervision. Play groups, dog size, dog management, all those things are very, very important.
Okay.
And it's good to know the staff, that you know them and they know your dog and that they bond, know your dog's name.
I would think any reputable place should allow people to come in and take a look around before they even consider
absolutely
taking the dog there.
Tours are essential. It is important, though. We do take a lot of precautions during the day. When the dogs come in, they're very high energy. So we encourage really our tours to come maybe after work when a lot of the dogs have gone home, or certainly on the weekends, because they're very active and their dogs are dogs and they'll run like packs towards the
Starlight. Come on back, Starlight. Now people can see Starlight has a deformed right front leg. What? She was born that way?
She was born that way.
Wow.
She's not the only one. Blaze is a rescue dog. Yeah. Same thing. They know absolutely no difference. We have blind dogs, deaf dogs.
Boy, so what a golden retriever. Got to be, if it's not the best dog in the world, in the top three. Yeah. So do people, when they come to see you, are people nervous? Do people get nervous before they let their baby go?
I try so hard to look at them and say, it's about your dog, not about you. Because a lot of people are sold on the plasma televisions and things like that. Dogs don't care. Dogs want to be with other dogs and play. And again, that's why it's important of the safety and the staff versus the plasmas and the swimming pools and things like that. But yeah, the parents have a much more rough time leaving the dog than the dog has once they leave the facility.
Well, at Happy Camper, how much room is there for a dog to play? Is it like a long run? Do you have a big fenced-in yard?
We're primarily indoors, and we have 6 playgrounds, and that's split up by size, dog temperament, different play groups throughout the day, and they go outside very briefly, just, because of the weather.
I guess some people, too, are concerned about, maybe they pick up fleas, ticks, things like that.
That's one of the requirements. Have to be on flea and tick prevention, up to date on vaccinations, spay or neutered. That's all part of the daycare process.
What is a range that people can look for as far as price if they're really serious about dropping their dog off at day camp?
Actually, nationally, it's not a huge difference. Anywhere from $18 a day to maybe in the big cities of LA as much as $30. Again, depending on the amenities. But I think we're all pretty competitive in this area, around $20, $22 a day.
Okay. Well, Mary Beth, thank you so much. Thank you for bringing in Starlight.
Thanks very much.
What a sweetheart. Hi. You did real good. All right. Yeah, another pet, of course. That's great. Well, you can learn more about doggy daycare, of course, on 10connects.com. Melanie?
Dave, she likes you. I was hoping she was coming over here to play with me for a few minutes.
Well, you know what? Goldens are so nice, she'll be over there in a second.
I know. She wants to play with you for a while. She's so cute. Well, still ahead when it comes to swimsuits. Is it better to splurge